Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add filter to your favorites in VSCO. Today in front of me is a Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it doesn't matter which Android phone you have, it is all going to work the same, and even on the iPhone application of VSCO. So first of all, you want to open the VSCO application, and then you want to select a photo that you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit this one, and so I just click on it and then hit this little icon right here. And now I do have all presets, like, the shared filters on the VSCO application. So let's say I want to look from this view right here, and maybe this one is the one that I really like because it changes all the colors, so the boots look a little bit different, and let's say this one is okay. And to add this preset to the favorites, I want to go to this view, and this was the one right here. And to add this to your favorites, you just want to hold on the preset, on the filter, until the star comes to your screen, and then just swipe it to your star. And as you can see, preset AV8 added to your favorites. So now I do have it in the favorites. These are favorites, as you can see right here. And now I do have it on the favorites right now. So this is it. This is how you can add a filter to your favorites in VSCO. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!